For life, what mysteries does it hold? For health, how should it be protected? For technology, can it break through new limits? Focusing on minimally invasive surgical instruments, MICONVEY takes the mission of delivering the beauty of minimally invasive surgery. Stay true to the original aspiration and forging ahead. MICONVEY was founded in 2013. MICONVEY, whose founding members, all with medical education background, is committed to providing safer and more accurate surgical instruments and solutions for medical professionals, so as to benefit doctors and patients through the transformation of SNT innovative achievements. By force of innovations and advanced technologies, MICONVEY has undergone leapfrog development and has established a first-class industry chain in China that covers R&D, manufacturing, and sales. Our vitality lies in talents. We attach great importance to the cultivation of internal talents and the introduction of excellent external talents. Our technological development and innovation team is led by senior experts in the industry. The production quality management personnel mostly boast advanced manufacturing backgrounds in China, and the marketing and middle and back-end management positions are held by industry elites, both at home and abroad. All these talents have contributed to MICONVEY's international operation and management system, covering R&D, manufacturing, and sales. Our creativity comes from production technologies. As a pioneer of minimally invasive surgical instrument platforms in China, MICONVEY masters multiple core independent intellectual properties. In addition, MICONVEY has been kept upgrading its products to compete in the global market and to lead technological innovations in the industry as a pioneer. Our core competitiveness roots in the lean manufacturing. Giving first priority to product quality, we have been controlling every manufacturing link to pursue consistent details and quality. We've established Class 100,000 clean rooms of medical instruments and consumables and large-scale workshops integrating intelligent CNC manufacturing equipment to maintain the leading position in technologies and align with international standards. Therefore, we are able to manufacture products with excellent quality through the lean manufacturing system and practice our commitment to providing high-quality products and services to the global market. Our influence stems from industry upgrading and global layout. Based in China, MICONVEY is working to substitute imported technologies with domestic ones. Our products have been available in over 1,000 hospitals, covering more than 20 provinces and cities nationwide. Going global, MICONVEY has exported its products to nearly 40 countries and regions. Acting as a representative of China's intelligent manufacturing, our products will gradually occupy the global market. In the future, we will continue to expand the CMO market of medical devices and to empower the industry chain to continue to grow and upgrade. Upholding the core values of aspiration, striving, innovation, inclusiveness, and integrity, MICONVEY will continuously pursue high-quality development and make unremitting efforts to become a globally well-known life science company. With the concept of providing works of craftsmanship, MICONVEY pursues excellence in quality. And in the name of clinical guardian of doctors and patients, MICONVEY delivers the beauty of minimally invasive surgery and safeguards human life and health.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.